Hi everyone, welcome back to Quantify Your Career. Now with Thanksgiving, this is the official beginning of the holiday season. So I hope you all are enjoying with your friends and family. Today let's talk about how you can make the most of this holiday season as a quant student. You can be a current student at a university, or you might be applying for a program for quantitative finance, or you're looking out for a job or change in career. So let's see how you can make the most of this free-ish period. The first suggestion is, of course, unwind and recharge as much as you can. Make the most of this break because you've been working hard all semester long or all year long. So recharge with your family, your friends, take breaks, make time for things which you like to do, which you love to do, either baking or cooking or playing the PlayStation, for example. Just unwind and take a break. Revise key and fundamental topics either for your interviews or for your applications. If you're going to start a fall course or a fall program in quantitative finance, it is essential that you have some prerequisites. In my next video, I'll be talking about the course curriculum and prerequisites for Masters in Financial Engineering and programs alike. This is a good time to brush up on some of those fundamental concepts. For example, in mathematics, you can revise linear algebra concepts and calculus, and also prepare common interview questions. In finance, you can prepare for fixed income, portfolio theory, derivatives. In programming, you can brush up on basic concepts of machine learning and data science. You can go through some topics of Python or C++ or even R. And one suggestion would be to create a GitHub profile or GitHub portfolio. You can try out some small projects, maybe in Python or R. For example, predicting the stock price movements using geometric Brownian motion model and implementing that in Python, and also creating a dashboard for visualization. This is like an end-to-end project which you can showcase. So projects and a GitHub profile will really give you an edge in your applications. Next, you can learn a new technology. For example, you can try how to build a dashboard on Streamlit. This is helpful both if you are looking for a new job, that means you're learning a new skill which you can right away implement in your new job, and also if you're getting into the university, it'll help your profile in the long run. You can also learn new technologies around LLM. Maybe you can do a small project and showcase your skill set there. On-the-job learning and practical projects give you an edge in your applications. You can try to work on your career preparation, maybe polish your resume or your LinkedIn profile. So you can make a list of the companies you want job roles at. You can look at what kind of job roles require what kind of skill set, and you can tailor your resume to that. Also, you can update your LinkedIn profile with all the projects you have been doing, all the new skills you have been learning. This will highlight if you've done something new, and also keep your profile updated. You can start making a list of potential internship and research assistant opportunities if you're currently studying. Mostly job roles open in January, so it's really helpful to keep your profile updated by December or January mid. So when you are approached by recruiters, you already have the tailor-made resumes and your profile to showcase. And lastly, you can prepare for your interviews by giving mock interviews. So this will help you revise your concepts as well as make you practice some interview questions. Follow us along on YouTube and LinkedIn, where we are going to post some interview questions with solutions, and also open up slots for mock interviews very shortly. So good luck with all your applications and interview preparation, and do unwind and enjoy your holidays. Until next time.